Hello and welcome to this video about Liquidware Stratosphere UX. We'd like to tell you how you can use this solution to deploy a 10-step process to roll out work-from-home workspaces. Many businesses must now quickly equip their workers with remote work-from-home workspaces to stay productive and operational during a time of crisis. It's possible to quickly ramp up work-from-home programs using Liquidware solutions. In 10 steps, we can get you up and running. Start with solid assessment of the current environment. Find out which desktops are good candidates to virtualize and which will need more work. Design desktop images based on the operating systems and applications in use. Determine the most suitable platform, Citrix, VMware, Amazon, or Microsoft. Leverage cloud storage as needed. Design the correct infrastructure specific to remote workers. Quickly launch a POC or use our hosted POC services. Migrate users to the new virtual workspaces platform. Validate that workers' user experience is as good or better than before. Quickly diagnose any issues that surface for quick remediation. After you launch your work-from-home workspaces, Stratosphere UX helps you ensure that users are productive and have the resources they need to effectively work remotely. You can see they are logging in and how active they are. If issues pop up, Stratosphere UX can be used to diagnose problems for a quick fix. For more information about how to use Stratosphere UX to help launch and monitor work-from-home workspaces, visit our website or contact sales@liquidware.com.